Hello everyone, welcome back to the Xiaomi Theme Hub YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showcasing a brand new Chinese theme, and one of its key features is full support for the HyperOS 3 control center. It offers a variety of styles that you can apply on Xiaomi Global devices. My device is currently running Xiaomi HyperOS 3. And as you can see, the theme functions flawlessly with full HyperOS 3 control center support. Besides supporting the HyperOS 3 control center, these themes also come with some very beautiful icon packs. If your device is running the Chinese ROM version, you can search for it directly and install it. This is the theme name in the China theme store. Let's move on to the next theme in today's collection. This theme comes with a very colorful icon pack. The control center is equally vibrant and full of color. It supports both light mode and dark mode on the phone. This is the name of the theme in the China theme store. This theme features a unique lock screen with many different customization options. You can tap on the clock to change its style, as well as the background image. If you want a unique and eye-catching control center style, this is a great option. Now, let's check out the next theme in today's lineup. Just tap this area to minimize the home screen clock widget. The theme also comes with a very nice looking icon pack. This theme also comes with a small return animation effect. And this is the control center of this theme. It doesn't just change the toggles, but also the icons on the status bar. Here's the official theme name in the Chinese theme store. Next is a theme inspired by the style of iOS 26, featuring a beautifully designed icon pack. The theme also comes with a dock on the home screen. The control center features a beautiful transparent style, and it supports both light mode and dark mode on the phone. The settings interface has also been redesigned, with sections clearly separated. On this theme's lock screen, there's also a control center that appears when you swipe down from the top right corner. It features a liquid glass lock screen style that closely resembles Apple's iOS 26. And this is the name of the theme in the China theme store. Next is a familiar theme that has now been updated to support HyperOS 3. All the themes featured in this video are included in a backup file linked in the description. You can use my backup file to install it on your Xiaomi Global device. Thanks for watching video. See you in next video coming soon.